We look up at the night sky, looking for stories in the twinkling tapestry of stars. But the true drama of the universe lies beyond our bare eyes, in the depths of the sky. Tonight, we journey into a realm of swirling colors and massive structures to IC 1101, a cosmic gem unlike any other galaxy. Billions of years ago, two galactic titans collided in a celestial waltz of destruction and creation. The resulting chaos gave rise to IC 1101, unlike any other galaxy in our known universe. At its core, a furnace of star formation burns, bathing the galaxy in a vibrant blue glow. IC 1101 is a starburst galaxy with a star formation rate dwarfing that of our own Milky Way. Every year, thousands of new stars erupt in its swirling arms, painting the universe with their youthful radiance. But this galactic bloom is not just a sight of beauty. It holds clues to the universe's past and whispers the secrets of its future. By studying IC 1101, we can understand the violent collisions that shape galaxies like ours and the processes that drive the universe's relentless cycle of birth and death. IC 1101 is more than just a starbirth nursery. Among its swirling arms are various celestial treasures, clusters of newborn stars, sparkling nebulae giving birth to new worlds, and ancient red giants nearing their fiery deaths. This galactic tapestry features a variety of characters. From the massive black hole at the center to the complex dance of gas and dust in the outer arms, IC 1101 offers a glimpse into the vast spectrum of cosmic phenomena. By studying these diverse celestial players, astronomers unravel the mysteries of gravity, stellar evolution, and the delicate balance that sustains life throughout the universe. IC 1101 becomes a laboratory, a heavenly classroom where the universe teaches us its deepest secrets. Can life take root in the chaos of a starburst galaxy? Although the intense radiation and violent stellar winds near IC 1101's heart make life as we know it unlikely, outsiders may be surprised. In the quiet region where dust shields young stars and planets from the harshest radiation, the possibility of habitable worlds arises. These planets may orbit red dwarf stars, lingering for billions of years in the shadow of the galaxy's fiery heart. The search for life on IC 1101 is a testament to human curiosity, a leap of faith fueled by an undeniable desire to know if we are alone in the universe. This galaxy, though distant and tumultuous, becomes a beacon of hope, a reminder that life can flourish in the most unexpected places. By studying IC 1101, we trace the universe's past. Its chaotic starbursts echo the violence of the early universe, shaping galaxies like ours through ancient collisions. We see the universe in its youth, a messy, dynamic ballet of creation and destruction. But the IC 1101 shows us the way to the future. By understanding its star formation processes, we learn how galaxies evolve, how elements are duplicated, and how conditions for life arise. It becomes a crystal ball, revealing the grand design of the universe. IC 1101 is a cosmic gem, a vibrant tapestry of birth and death, a microcosm of the universe's relentless evolution. As we study these distant galaxies, we learn about ourselves, our place in the grand scheme of things, and the wondrous beauty of the universe that surrounds us.